So today I'll be sharing how attention management is much more efficient than time management for students. So I was recently listening to this podcast where the speaker shared that attention management is working more efficiently for students on a larger scale. When I dig further into it, I found that time management is actually being productive, getting your work done, work which you have been procrastinating for. While attention management is something where you pay attention to the most important and critical tasks first rather than getting your whole work done. For example, while I make my to-do list, I tend to put the most urgent tasks at the top, tasks which I cannot postpone at all, and in descending order, the last task is the task which I can put on the next day or another to-do list. So it is exam season right now, and I hope that you put all your attention into one task which you have to get done and you can't postpone at all. Rather than getting the whole to-do list done, I'd suggest you to focus on that one task entirely. I hope you do well in exams. Best of luck and bye. Have a good day.